Okay.
Do. Oh wow, you hit a wall there. Wow. Well, that was good.
Yep. Very fun.
Very fun.
Couple of volcano maniacs.
I'm guessing you saw Handy's video on the mushroom.
The one with 2 maniacs.
Yeah, I remember that room, and I was just like, wow, someone impersonated me.
It must be one of your fans, dude.
I was actually recording that race, you know.
It must be one of your fans.
Yeah. Oh damn! I just got the winning draft, dude. I love how I bumped you onto the grass, but it didn't even show.
Wait,
that.
why did I start in second? What place did you start in?
I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna use this for a very predictable shock next lap. Where most people shock. I have a star, so it's cool. Okay, wow. Okay. Someone's gonna get the shock here, so I will fucking use it. No. Use it. Use it. Okay, maybe not. They fucking use it now. They're probably gonna chain at these items, aren't they? Fucking triple shrooms.
Well, noobs don't chain.
They just fucking spam it, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, wow, that fib though. Is that your fib?
Nope. That's so noobish that they don't swerve to stop me getting the draft.
Right, I'm gonna predict the target, the shock, because I have a mega, so. BAM! Shock dodge!
God! And then there's a blue.
I got it in the middle of the water, so it didn't help. Guess what I've got?
Gold.
There's a bomb! That bomb though.
God, that just screwed me over!
That's shock though.
That's the shock and the blue. Now I'm gonna get minus 500 BR.
That was, wow. Yeah, that was annoying.
Ice is gonna kick me out of the clan now.
How much VR do you have?
9-3.
Lol.
Well, you've got 8-3, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut up. Probably because I lost about 400 in 2 races in New Worldwide earlier. Luigi Circuit, then Mushroom Gorge. Both on 100. Stipend, I tell ya. Stipend. It's stipend, I tell ya. Man. Stipend.
Stupid.
Like, I'm gonna do this race itemless, I don't even care. Just to get a really good item.
Okay. Stupid.
I'm gonna try and do this itemless. What CC is it?
150.
Oh, well, let's test that by trying to do this. Yeah, it's 150, okay. I'm gonna go for Kurt. Unless someone blocks it.
You guys saw nothing.
No! No! Wow. You're recording, aren't you? Oh,
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, bro. This fucking bitch. Right, I'm gonna get a shroom here. Some kind of shroom.
Come on.
Okay, I got golden. I'm gonna hold
Let
this.
me make shroomless.
As you know, I'll just use it. Fuck it.
God's sake!
Oh god! Oi, What is this kid doing? Oh my, wow, that bullet though. I had to spin drift to avoid a green, and then I had to spin drift to back the other way to avoid the bullet. Like a boss. Bob! Someone just got hit by.
Are you gonna predict the shock again?
I have a shroom. I'm just gonna. Wow, and then the power comes and I don't dodge it because I yellow.
Okay.
Oh! I just two people were ahead of me, and then I just like fucking spammed 2 greens at them, like YOLO, and it actually hit them. So I've got golden. Let's do this. No, why didn't it work, man? Nailed. Stipend, tell ya. Stipend. Spam triple shock. Spam triple shock. No! I had a fucking star, you motherfucker. Is this a 12-player room?
No.
That's my shock, by the way. Sorry about that.
Could have called it.
Shock! Sorry,
Too late! You're a bit late, aren't you?
Skype lag.
What?
I called it when it happened, it was just Skype call lag, you know?
Yeah, right, okay.
Bam!
You could have called the bell as well.
I didn't realise that you were fucking around. Fucking around at the back, I thought you were actually in the pack, like... You know what I mean? Like, actually doing well.
No, I was going for
Okay then! Life and hope is over for me.
Okay, life and hope is all gone for me. I'm gonna get minus 300 points and then lose my 9s.
Your 9s? You mean the 9s that you never had? Yo, let's just stop here and then just YOLO! Wow, they both hate.
Will I make it with that alignment? Of course not! Exactly. I'm gonna get last and then I'm gonna get minus 300 VR, 295 close enough.
295.
Gonna have to hack my VR up to 9999 again. No, I'm kidding. Oh, by the way, in psychology, there's people from my stream that's in it.
Psychology?
Yeah, there's people from my streams, like, you know, Boss.
Oh, bitch! Yeah.
He's in it. Chauncey's in it. A couple of other people are in it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm looking for a sailor.
Oh my god, I'm looking for a sailor. Oh my god. Yeah, I am.
This isn't cowboy, is it?
I'm gonna bag and get shocked, man. Oh no shit, these guys are too noob for me to bag. I'm gonna bang at these boxes and just like fuck my life. Okay, let's use this one spurt of this golden. I'll call the shock if I get it, okay? I got a bill. Gonna troll the shock out of him. Okay, he's probably gonna get a shock here. I'm just gonna use this to catch up.
I'm sucking. not passing that to me.
Oh, whoa! My billet bill landed on the, you know, the small blue
Wow.
round.
Okay.
It landed right on the tip of that, and it gave me a low trick. YOLO! Oh, that's nice though. Jesus, I just fucking made the most amazing snipe on this dude. Like, I'm not even kidding. It was the best snipe.
Are you in third?
Yep.
Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna get in second because I'm gonna snipe this kid with a fib. Oh, that was so close. It landed right on him, which is right behind him. Actually, in real life, it's right behind him. Shit, I want this fucking item.
Gonna take that line and
Hit him! Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Jesus! Jesus!
what are you doing?
Dead. I hit the...
You was messing around. All I'm gonna get is like plus 20 VR.
Oh. I love how the bottom two are guests. I hate guests that are pretty good. And good guests are just annoying as heck.
Oh Jesus! Why are they picking Sherbet Land?
I don't know, why are they picking Sherbet Land?
Oh my God!
Sherbet Land isn't that bad with Daisy. If it Kappa 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 kappa.
Nope, I am resetting my wig. No, I'm kidding.
No, just why would you do that?
Because this track is the worst track
Hey,
ever created.
Dude! Hey dude! We started in top 2. Hey dude! Hey dude! Hey dude! Are you recording?
No.
That was you, wasn't it? That was a pretty nice snipe, man.
Thank you.
I got to admit, that was pretty nice. Hit him! Yes! What a snipe! 20 meters away, and I still snipe him. You do short distance good snipes, I do long distance shit snipes. Like, they just randomly hit because they swerve. Because the person swerves, they hit my snipe. But I predicted that, so.
Oh my God.
Top
I've got to
two.
shoot him in first. I've got to shoot him in first.
Okay. Holy, what? Where did that banana come from? Ugh. Wow, I just fucking messed. Wow, I messed up bad, man. I messed up bad.
For some reason, I'm finding dislikes on every single video of mine.
Same, there's a hater on my channel. I know who it is.
John?
No, it's one of my school friends.
I'm guessing the hater on my channel is John.
Holy shit! Oh my! Oh my! I just made the best snipe of my life, man. I really need to start recording.
Will you be recording LVK's CTWWs on Saturday? Or Sunday,
What?
whatever the 22nd is.
What's the date today? 22nd?
Yeah.
Serious? That's Saturday, but what's happening on the 22nd?
LVK does a Skype session. a massive Skype session.
So yeah, I'll probably record. Let's snipe this kid.
Didn't you see the group chat?
I love how the blue just falls off the edge because you fell off the edge.
I don't know whether
Oh
it
yeah, I
hits you
can
on
see the CTW session Saturday the 22nd of March 2014 at 4:30 PM GMT. Dreamworld time! Yup! Okay, I can see that.
I can do it.
No, I can probably do that.
I don't even know how many races I'm gonna do this episode. Let's just say a bunch. Then just upload it like I normally do. Because YouTube has improved lately with its uploading time.
Is it?
I swear it has on my end.
I haven't uploaded anything lately, so I wouldn't know.
Tried uploading some Saturday.
Saturday. Might
It took
try and upload
14 minutes. It took 14 minutes to upload like a 40-minute vid.
That's good. Mine usually takes, with XSplit, it usually takes like twice the amount of time that the actual video is. But if I record it with if I like edit it through Roxio, GameCap, Rice things, it takes like 4 times or sometimes 5 times the amount of what the actual video is. So if I had like half an hour video, if I edited with Roxio,
you'd have like 3 hours nearly uploaded.
yeah.
One of my uploads once took like.
Oh, by the way, did you like my snipe back there?
Yeah.
Just ruling it out. Just trying to not pretend that. What the f is this dude doing? I'm gonna snipe this kid. Oh wait, he's behind me.
How the heck has this guy got a star? Seriously, he's not pro.
Wow.
I just golden all my. I just goldened up to 2nd place.
Oh gosh. Oh wow, why did I just do that? I just hit my own trap, wow, because I thought. And then I just fucking blatantly did that. And I blatantly did that, GGs.
I've got human burst now.
I just fucking failed at everything. I failed at life there. We need 2 blues, come on. Come on, items. You can work for me. Come on, items. You can do this. Oh, you like my bananas? They're shit. Because I have funky lines. You have... Jesus Christ, man. My fucking snipes today are just bullshit.
I know, right?
Yeah, man. I know. I know what you're saying.
What? I call. Oh, yes.
Dude! Them greens though! Hit him! He's gonna hit him after the line, God. No, he didn't, okay. I hit a wall, man, because I regrew in mid-air. Then I tried lobbing greens at you, but it didn't work. Well, that was interesting. We got top 2 again!
This is why I'm in a pro clan, P for pro, and you're in a non-existing clan.
What do you mean a non-existing clan?
Bold stars.
That is an existing clan. It just isn't. Okay.
It slightly is, it slightly isn't.
It's... yeah. Whoa!
I want BCWII.
Oh, BCWII, hey? Okay.
The track's okay.
Mr Selfridge.
What about Mr Selfridge?
Does he sell fridges?
Check if anyone glitches.
I'm going backwards. I don't even care if no one's glitching. I'm just gonna go backwards, right? And then, if anyone does glitch, I'll block them. Because if you check if anyone's gonna glitch, and then they do the glitch quite fast, you can't stop them. No one's glitching! Woohoo! What a lovely, pleasant surprise. Right, once he sees it.
150.
Okay, I can do the rock hop then. Let's do this. I've got another star. Apparently I can't do the rock hop. The game won't let me. Does Mr Selfridge sell fridges? Yep, made it.
I should have known that you didn't. That you don't take the.
Non-stop.
Oh
No,
my god! I got
shroom.
target shocked.
I had a shroom. What the fuck were you doing? Were
The
you doing
ending-
the golden strat thing?
The ending cut.
I love how I was in first with the shroom and I was just like, yep, I can do this. And then the shot comes and I'm just like, no.
I just need the rock to be still there when I get to
Yep.
the.
Yep, you do. Oh, it wasn't blocked. I didn't block it properly, did I? I had double fibs, so. Hey, it's green. Okay, good. Oh, God. Dude! Dude, don't even stop. It's not even worth it, bro.
Yeah, it is. God, this guy is so slow.
I just fibbed myself. In the face. I just fibbed myself in the face. GGs. No! No! What the fuck was that? Ah! I thought I got a shroom, but I got a blue and spammed it.
Nope. It's not getting me.
Oh, he got you after the line, didn't it?
Mhm.
Oh, God.
That would have been the ultimate heartbreaker.
Yeah, I was in last anyway.
I wonder how many points you'll lose.
200. Okay, and this guy stops at the line for me. But, thank you. But it didn't fucking work.
Close enough.
Oh, God.
I'm getting pro at this.
Hey, dude. You want to do some 1v1 races? Just like 3 GPs of random 1v1 races with items?
Okay.
Cool. Because I want to record and then I want to upload because I have nothing to upload at the moment.
Same.
Apart from loads of itemless races, but
And
I'm just gonna
the
like
1v1. Oh wait, you've deleted it.
apart from the yeah. I'm just gonna pick like 3 or 4 1v1 itemless races, so we're pretty intense, pretty close, pretty awesome.
God!
If you know what I mean. Do you wanna leave after this race?
Yep.
Okay. Let's leave after this race, bro.
And then I'll
Okay.
stop recording.
Same. Okay. YOLO whip, swagalicious.
Lovely that I have fixed XSplit now because I've got 0 drop frames.
I love it. I get bullet bill first item. Apart, actually, it's minus for one item. Minus item. Minus one item. Minus first. You don't say minus first, do you? YOLO. Yeah, okay, he's gonna get shock here. These items. So don't worry, it's fine. I'll just fucking use my bill. Oh no, we got a golden. Okay.
That's good.
Use it! Bam! Shock dodge.
That was actually perfect timing for me as well.
Look at that! Wow.
Yes!
That snipe though, I'm sorry, that was amazing.
That was my snipe.
I didn't even look behind me, but you got me, so it's fine. Bam! That bomb snipe though!
God!
I just raided the guy behind you and then raided you. Someone needs to throw a blue. Throw it! Okay, it didn't work. Didn't work that time, sorry. The game usually obeys my orders. Like, use it on lap 2.
Use it!
Someone's probably actually going to use it. I'm going to snipe this kid. No! Okay. Cool, you got third. That's not too bad.
Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.
Yeah!